Hello there, my friends. So this is a swarm that flew from one of my hives. Even though I removed the old queen and I removed some of the queen cells from this hive, they really had it in their mind to swarm. So this swarm right here is a primary swarm. It's quite big, but it has a virgin queen in it. So try as you might, sometimes swarm prevention doesn't work. And my job today will be to try and get these guys in a box. So I brought a 5-frame nuke. And that's, just barely big enough for these guys. I should have really brought a 10-frame box. But the farmer that called me said, well, there's like 1,000 bees. Really what there is, I don't know, probably about 15,000 bees. So they'll just barely fit. And we'll see if we can make this happen. I wish I had a little bit more time today. But I have to get to work, so what I'm going to do with these guys is I'm going to shake them down to this box. You always get better results if the bees go into the box on their own, but in this case, I think I'm gonna have to dump them in there. I didn't bring my veil, and it's kind of a cold, slightly rainy morning, and they might get grumpy with me, so I wouldn't be just too surprised if I get stung here. But you can see a swarm of bees really is not aggressive. They're here minding their own business. They don't have a hive to protect, and yeah, if you see a swarm, don't be scared. They really are at their most friendly and docile. I did run away for a minute just because I don't have a veil, and when they first get dumped like that, they sometimes get a little bit aggravated. But you can see even a minute later, they're already calm and they're minding their own business. Once you have a bunch of bees like this fanning furiously at the entrance, you pretty much know you're good. These bees are laying down a scent trail for the other bees to follow into the hive.